Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mr. David Podcast. Hi, I'm Hannah.
And I'm David. Hello. How are you doing today?
I am doing great, thank you.
Let me ask you something. Have you ever studied English for years, but still felt nervous speaking it?
You know the grammar. You know the vocabulary. But when it's time to talk, your mind goes blank.
Yeah, that feeling. We've all been there.
And here's the truth no one tells you. English is not difficult because of grammar.
It's difficult because of real conversations.
Yes, you are right, David. It's difficult because of real conversations. Fast speech idioms, slang, interruptions, and natural reactions.
The kind of English people actually use in daily life. And this channel is not about textbook English. It's about real English.
The English you hear in coffee shops,
In offices,
between friends,
on podcasts, and in real life. Most English courses teach you how to pass exams,
but nobody teaches you how to survive an awkward conversation,
or how to respond when someone says, "What's up?"
or how to sound natural instead of robotic.
That's why we created this channel.
Here, you'll listen to real conversations, natural reactions, real emotions, real pauses, and real mistakes sometimes.
Because that's how real English works. We'll talk about daily life, work situations, friendship, relationships, travel, awkward moments.
And everything in between.
You won't just learn words,
You'll learn rhythm,
tone,
confidence,
and most importantly,
how to think in English.
if English is not your first language, we understand you.
If you feel shy speaking,
If you're afraid of making mistakes,
if you translate in your head before talking,
this channel is for you.
we're not here to judge your accent.
We're not here to correct every tiny grammar mistake.
We're here to help you feel comfortable, to help you sound natural, and to help you speak without fear.
Because fluency is not perfection. Fluency is confidence.
So every video you watch here, imagine you're sitting with us
Listening, learning, absorbing.
and slowly becoming more confident.
We'll also break down idioms
Common phrases,
and expressions native speakers actually use.
not old textbook phrases nobody says anymore.
Seriously, nobody says, "How do you do?" anymore.
Exactly.
Our goal is simple:
We want you to sound natural.
comfortable, confident, and real. And here's something important.
You don't need to be perfect to start.
You just need to start.
So, if you're ready to improve your English,
If you're ready to understand real conversations,
if you're ready to speak without fear,
then welcome.
subscribe and stay with us. And don't forget to press the like button because it motivates us a lot.
Listen actively.
Repeat
Practice.
and grow with us.
Together.
Subscribe for more.